Smart, Sun, Blue TM. You can get a 5% rebate for every load. So every load of 50 pesos, you can get 2.50 cents for every purchase. On the last video, you can see how much or how to load a mobile number. And you can also pay bills, Meralco, Manila Water, or any government or insurance. You can also pay here. Just enter the reference number and the amount. And for Manila Water, you can just you can put the account number and the amount also, and then continue. You can also receive payments via QR code of PayMaya, and you can also send money to every PayMaya account and a smart money. You can also send to any bank accounts. You can link every 3 cards also. You can add money by 7-Eleven, by Center. Just put the amount, then go to 7-Eleven and scan the barcode, and that is generated by PayMaya. So guys, convenient ang gamitin ang PayMaya app in case of loading and sending money to other PayMaya users. So you can see the options of frequently asked questions. You can check what is not clear in these tutorials. Every purchase, you can see the result or the receipt. So using PayMaya, you can check all your activity. You can also receive some rebates and some rewards from PayMaya. Over 100 pesos for every cash box and referral for our friends. As you can see, this October, we have October promo. So using PayMaya is very convenient. You can earn more rewards than other apps. So using this PayMaya, I hope you can check all, and it will be convenient for you to use. This is a tutorial for mobile app. You can see all the tricks of PayMaya for you. And you can also give us settings. You can change passwords. You can edit every info about it. And also, this is the sign of loading service bar. As an e-loader. This is how to
Bernie Glenda.
Tingin pa ako sa messenger.